You are not lazy. You are just chasing the wrong fix. Behind every missed deadline, bad habit, or relationship mess is hidden root cause. Buried 5 whys deep. The 5 whys method helped build an empire at Toyota, and now it's your turn. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you won't just spot problems, you will solve them. Sakichi Toyoda, the founder of Toyota, developed a simple but brilliant technique and named it the 5 whys, designed for troubleshooting breakdowns on the factory floor. And today it's used everywhere in business, startups, therapy, even personal growth. Here's how it works. You identify a problem, then ask why 5 times in a row. Each answer gets you closer to the real root cause, not just the surface symptoms. It's not about pointing fingers. It's about discovering hidden patterns. Let's break down a situation we all experience. Being late for work. Why am I late? I left the house late. Why did I leave late? I woke up late. Why did I woke up late? I stayed up too late. Why did I stay up late? I was binge watching a series. Why was I binge watching? I was stressed and needed to escape. Root cause: unmanaged stress, not just a faulty alarm or poor discipline. Think about this. What's something you've been blaming on willpower that might actually be rooted in something deeper? Now let's go corporate. A company faced repeated shipment delays. Here's how 5 whys reveal the truth. Why was the shipment late? Because the delivery truck left late. Why did it leave late? The package wasn't ready. Why wasn't it ready? The label had incorrect info. Why was it incorrect? The employee used an outdated template. Why did they use that template? Because they were never trained on the new system. Root cause: training failure, not laziness, not bad luck. Here's how to make the 5 whys work for you. Write your answers down. Don't just wing it mentally. Ask with others. Collaboration reveals blind spots. Keep digging until it feels a bit uncomfortable. That means you are getting close. Don't turn it into a blame game. This isn't who messed up. It's what's really going on. This method sounds simple, but trust me, the clarity it creates is powerful. Whether you are trying to be more productive, improve your relationships, or fix a team issue at work, start with the 5 whys. You will be shocked at what you find. What's your problem today? Use the 5 whys to dig deep. Like if it clicked, drop your whys moment, and subscribe for smarter tools that solve real problems.